In this video, we will discuss the power of persuasion and how you can use psychological tactics to influence people. There is a long history of research into understanding the psychology of persuasion. The idea that people are persuaded by their emotions is not new. The best way to persuade someone is by appealing to their emotions and not logic. What is influence and how does it work? Influence is the power to affect people, society, or the course of events. It is the act of persuading someone to do something or believe in something. Influence is the power to have an effect on people, society, or events. It makes people believe in something and do things they wouldn't have before. Influence can be used for good and bad purposes. It has been used for good purposes such as signing a petition to stop animal cruelty, but it has also been used for bad purposes such as influencing people to buy a product they don't need through advertising. How the right tools can help you achieve your goals faster. The right tools can help you achieve your goals faster. The more persuasive tools you have, the easier it is to persuade people. With social psychology, you will be able to influence their minds and make them think the way that you want them to. The key question here is, what kind of skills do we need? In order to use persuasive techniques, we need a good understanding of psychology and persuasion. We also need a lot of creativity and empathy skills in order to understand what people want and how they think. How to build a psychologically impactful brand. The best way to create a psychologically impactful brand is by using persuasive techniques. Persuasive techniques are techniques that can be used to convince people to buy a product or agree with an idea. Some persuasive techniques include cognitive dissonance. This technique works because it causes people to feel uncomfortable when they are in conflict with their beliefs. For example, if someone has a strong belief that they should not eat junk food but they are presented with the opportunity to eat junk food, they will likely eat the junk food because of the discomfort of being in conflict with their beliefs. Bandwagon effect. This technique works because it makes people want to do something just because other people are doing it too. For example, if someone wants to go on vacation and sees posts from all their friends on Facebook about going on vacation, this person will want to go on vacation as well, even if he or she did not want to before seeing those posts. Influence techniques that will make you an expert persuader instantly. Persuasive writing techniques are very useful in many situations. In marketing, advertising, and business proposals, for example, these techniques can help you get your point across and convince your readers. Some of these techniques include using repetition, using facts and statistics, using emotional appeals, using stories and examples, making the reader feel guilty or making them feel like they are part of something bigger than themselves.